In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your affiliate links on Whop. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Whop website. Open your browser and navigate to whop.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home feed, which is essentially your dashboard. This is where you can access all the main features and options available to you as a Whop user. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should see a menu. Look for the option labeled Affiliates. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Affiliates section where you can manage all your affiliate activities and track your performance. Once you're in the Affiliate section, the next step is to click on Affiliate Marketplace. This is your gateway to finding new affiliate programs to join and manage the ones you're already a part of. The marketplace is filled with exciting opportunities to expand your affiliate marketing efforts and find new products or services to promote. Now, if you're looking to get an affiliate link for a new product or service, you'll want to click on Become Affiliate. This option is usually displayed prominently and allows you to easily sign up for new affiliate programs. When you click Become Affiliate, you'll be guided through the process of obtaining a unique affiliate link that you can share on your platforms to start earning commissions. If you already have active affiliate programs, you might want to view the assets associated with those programs. In that case, simply click on View Assets. This will provide you with access to a range of marketing materials and links that you can use to effectively promote the products or services you're affiliated with. Having these resources at your disposal can significantly enhance your marketing efforts by providing you with tools that are tailored to boost your affiliate success. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and manage your affiliate links on Whop. It's a straightforward process that empowers you to maximize your earning potential through affiliate marketing. Remember, the key to success is not just obtaining the links, but also promoting them effectively and tracking your progress to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more guides like this one. Happy affiliating!